This is for the wiring. It's gonna be a nightmare.
What is this?
That's a fuse block.
What is that?
That's an ECM.
A what?
Electronic Control Module. That's the brains.
Then why do I need this?
Because that's a fuse block. That's to protect your wiring. Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Today we're gonna start on the wiring nightmare. I think to make it a little easier, we gotta take the front clip off again. It won't be the last time either. But we gotta take the bumper off and take the front clip off.
I did my part.
All right. Now, we get to start plugging stuff in on the engine.
Where does that get mounted?
Well, we don't know yet.
Okay.
We're not 100% sure. So, let's start on that side. That needs to go on this side. This goes towards the back. And this is our throttle.
Okay.
Our throttle control or actuator. Yep.
This all looks like a nightmare.
Then this one is this injector. I need a light.
Okay, I'll get a light.
So each one of these is an injector. They plug in and slide down.
This one goes in here?
Yep. So
Okay.
that is in place.
That wasn't so hard. You were making it seem like it'd take hours.
That's just the start.
That was easy.
That's only 4 plugs. That one goes to our ignition coils. Right there.
Oh.
This one goes to our MAP sensor. Not to get confused with our mass airflow sensor. Our MAP sensor is manifold absolute pressure or manifold vacuum.
GPS
No,
for maps.
no, that's not, no, it's manifold absolute pressure.
Oh, okay.
It's our vacuum gauge,
Okay.
or our vacuum. So, that's it for that side. Well, for the moment, we need to put the ground on, and then we need to work on this side,
Okay.
and then we got to work on the bottom,
I
and
could
then
probably get to the ground because I got smaller hands. I don't know where the bolt is.
we got to get a bolt.
Oh.
I will get one. What do you got? This gets plugged in to our oil pressure sending unit right down here.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. It gets plugged in like that. And this one gets plugged in here. Like that.
Okay.
And then this ground goes to the back of the head over here.
Okay.
This gets plugged into our NOx sensors.
Okay.
Right there. Yes, this goes to your alternator.
Yep.
And that one goes up here to the evap canister recirculation valve that's no longer there.
Okay. I'm guessing white
Yep.
goes with white.
Yep, that goes there. That one on.
I'm not 100% sure.
No, can't pull them off. That one was on.
Okay, now it's on.
All right.
And now this gets connected into here.
What?
This wire.
Oh, yeah, you can connect that into there. Your temp sending unit. It's right here. Got to get all those ground wires hooked up. So that one goes to the crank sensor.
Okay. That's in.
And then that one goes to your oil level sending unit. And this one goes to our starter.
There's nothing on it.
Yeah, I know. And then these go to the AC compressor, which we aren't going to have.
Okay, so how do I get rid of this if I'm not having an AC condenser?
Compressor.
Compressor, whatever.
Well, we got to strip those out of the harness.
What?
Yeah, we got to take those wires out of the harness completely.
Are you telling me I have to undo all this harness just to get this out?
Well, that and a bunch of others.
He's gonna tell us that first, Jimmy?
Well, we didn't know what we needed and what we don't need
So now I
until
gotta
we
go
plugged it in.
Unhook all this.
So what you want to do is you want to peel off the harness or the coating if you can.
Hold on, I'm working on this one. That is like electrical taped and whoo! Wow. This is some special stuff. Oh, I'm being sarcastic because, hey, it came off. Okay. Someone butt fused these together.
Yep.
Why would you butt fuse?
Well, probably because I had to replace the connector.
Okay, and how far do you have to go?
Well, we're just going this way. So these can go back in, but these come out.
Okay. Then what do you do?
Well, you got to take them all the way to the end. You getting the wires peeled out there?
Yep. It's like braiding hair, sort of.
Yeah.
But,
They are a mess, aren't they?
yeah, this is a lot.
And it's taped up quite often.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. It's a lot of tape, as you can tell by my mess.
Yep.
Sorry.
Okay. We still have our O2 sensor
Yep.
and our plug-in for our mass airflow sensor on this side.
Yep.
Okay. And we have our wires pulled out for stuff we don't need.
Yes.
We'll unpin those later. We still have to do the transmission. We have to figure out what wire is for our neutral safety switch and what wire is for our backup lights. Yeah. And then we got to pull all the ones out of the transmission harness up to the ECM.
Okay.
But that looks like a job for tomorrow. Well, it is the next day, and we're back on the wiring. And we have to
My black.
shrink wrap all these grounds. Let's see, those three gotta go together. These can get cut. We don't have to shrink wrap the grounds, but I'd like to, just to be on the safe side, so we don't end up with all kinds of water intrusion in the wires. You just pinch off the end.
Oh, you want to play? No? Okay, you go take your soccer ball and go play.
There.
How do you feel about all that snow out there?
Well, it did snow, and it's probably enough to plow now. I don't know that it's enough to run the snowcat, but it's enough to plow.
I don't like it.
Okay, now we can put loom on
What? Loom? What is loom?
the outside shielding.
Oh, okay.
On that, at least up until here.
Alright. Don't break on me.
Oh boy. A painstaking process, but she's getting it done.
You're in.
Okay. Good. So, you got that done.
Yeah, my fingers are sore. This is a nightmare. I'm tired.
Okay.
Of wiring. Let me do something else.
Okay, well, we can move on to the gas tank. I believe we got one with the truck. We've never tried to put it in. We've never tried to see if it fit, anything like that. So we can check that out.
Yes, please. Yes,
Okay.
please. Yes, please. As long as I can stop seeing wiring, yes, please.
There's your gas tank.
Yep.
We'll see if it fits, but we need the straps too.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's go take it down and see if it fits.
Look. Thank you.
And
It's gotta get turned.
the
Should it sit something like that?
That's not the gas tank.
well, that doesn't look like the right gas tank.
Nope.
That looks more like a CJ gas tank. Well, that one just ain't gonna work. And I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, it would be nice to get a fuel tank to fit in here. It'd be nice to use that hole for the filler neck, but I don't know what we're gonna do. So, short of fabricating my own, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. If we're just gonna put a fuel tank in the box, just get a generic fuel cell, I don't know what we're gonna do. This tank here, 17 gallon like I have on the Snowcat, only it's flat. Wonder if I can make that work. 30 inches long, and if we shimmed it down to about here on the top, then the bottom would be still above this frame rail. So 17 inches wide and 7 inches tall. If we brought it down 5 inches, and another 5, 6, 7, and make it 12 inches. So 12 inches, and put it kind of close to our rear differential, though. 12 inches from the bottom of the box. Oh, that gives us plenty of room, I think. That would put the filler right here. If we come off of that with a 90, and then up, that might work. Come out with a filler neck and then up to here. Well, it wouldn't be as big as the factory filler neck, but we could make it look kind of factory style for an M715. That might be an idea, because that's monstrous. Look at that. That's a huge fill neck. Well, it's either that or put the gas tank in the box. I'd rather not put it in the box because we need to save room for the boom. I'd like to put it underneath. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. It's more fabrication, more money. But I know Mara would like it a whole lot better. So, if you know anybody who needs a monstrous M175 fill neck hose, hit me up. Well, if anybody recognizes this gas tank, I think it's for a CJ, and wants it, hit me up on our email, on our website. I'll sell it to you cheap. So I think that'll work. I'm not 100% sure yet. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. And maybe we'll see you in the woods. Or, who knows, Sand Hollow in March. Oh. Oh. Oh, boy. Yeah, using her tools on her Jeep. Okay. Power steering pump pressure one goes here. And the return line goes there. That'll work. Then the power steering sector line, we have to do something about that. That's the wrong fitting. And it's too short.